The 2026 Isuzu Mini Bus is designed to deliver efficiency, comfort, and reliability for urban and intercity transportation. Built with Isuzu's reputation for durability and fuel efficiency, this mini bus is an ideal choice for businesses, schools, and public transport systems. With a modern design, enhanced safety features, and a fuel-efficient engine, the 2026 model offers an improved travel experience for passengers and operators alike. Engine and performance. The 2026 Isuzu Mini Bus is expected to be powered by a 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, known for its high torque and fuel efficiency. The engine will likely produce around 150 to 180 horsepower, ensuring smooth acceleration even when fully loaded. Isuzu might also introduce a hybrid or fully electric variant, catering to eco-conscious markets and regions with stricter emission regulations. The bus will feature a manual or automatic transmission, providing flexibility for different market preferences. The improved suspension system, with front and rear shock absorbers, ensures a comfortable ride on both city roads and highways. Isuzu's focus on low maintenance costs and high fuel efficiency makes this mini bus a profitable option for fleet operators. Exterior and design. The 2026 Isuzu Mini Bus features a sleek, aerodynamic body, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. The modern front grille, LED headlights, and daytime running lights enhance visibility while giving the bus a stylish, contemporary look. The bus is designed to be compact yet spacious, making it ideal for navigating city streets while still accommodating a large number of passengers. The wide side windows provide a clear view of the surroundings, creating a pleasant journey experience. The electric sliding passenger door allows for quick and convenient entry and exit, improving efficiency during peak travel hours. Interior and passenger comfort. Inside, the 2026 Isuzu Mini Bus is designed for passenger comfort and convenience. The high roof design allows for ample headroom, while ergonomic seating with enhanced cushioning ensures a comfortable ride. Depending on the variant, seating configurations may include standard bench seating or reclining individual seats for added comfort on long trips. Other key features include fully air-conditioned cabin for a pleasant ride in all weather conditions, LED lighting and ambient illumination for a modern feel, USB charging ports at every seat to keep passengers connected, overhead storage compartments for small luggage and personal items. Safety and technology. Safety is a top priority for Isuzu, and the 2026 Mini Bus will come equipped with advanced driver assistance features to enhance security for passengers and drivers alike. Expected safety features include anti-lock braking system (ABS) and electronic stability control (ESC) for improved handling. Lane departure warning system (LDWS) to prevent unintentional lane shifts. Automatic emergency braking (AEB) to avoid collisions. Rear view camera and parking sensors for easier maneuvering in tight spaces. Fire-resistant materials and an emergency exit system for passenger safety. Fuel efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Isuzu has optimized the 2026 Mini Bus for low operating costs and high efficiency. The improved aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and advanced engine technology contribute to better mileage and reduced fuel consumption. Fleet operators can expect lower maintenance costs and higher profitability compared to older models. Conclusion. The 2026 Isuzu Mini Bus is a versatile, reliable, and fuel-efficient option for public and private transport needs. With modern styling, advanced safety features, and a comfortable interior, it caters to both urban and intercity travel demands. Whether for school transport, shuttle services, or commercial use, this mini bus is designed to meet the needs of modern commuters. For more updates on the latest vehicles, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for detailed reviews.